You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? If you want to learn how to pronounce the name of the characters, make sure to stay tuned. We got all of them at the end of the video for you, so make sure to stay tuned. This is a word, it's of course a Japanese manga series, anime, but it's a word from German originally that means freeze, to freeze. The German pronunciation is as frieren, frieren, frieren. Therefore in English you have to pronounce it as frieren, not free run, frieren, frieren. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.